Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can incorporate the colors of Indian flag in your outfits. So you can wear them for Independence Day, Republic Day or any other day when you're feeling patriotic. I have tried to make each outfit really different, and if you like it, make sure you hit the subscribe button and let's get started. So for the first outfit, I'm wearing a green crop top and an orange tank top beneath it. I'm wearing my white sneakers for the white part in the flag and loose pants or culottes for a very easy, relaxing and chill vibe.
I need you right now. Yeah, I need you right now. So don't let me down. I think I'm losing my mind now. It's in my head, darling, I hope that you'll be here when I need you the most. So don't let me down.
Okay, so this came out to be so accurate with colors and all, but I think this is a little offbeat and experimental for many of us. I couldn't find any green bottoms of my own, so I borrowed my mom's green salwar and paired it up with my white off-shoulder top because I didn't want it to go with kurti and get a completely traditional look. For the orange part, I'm wearing this beautiful pendant neck piece and I'm wearing this white strappy sandals to complete the look. Okay, so here comes my personal favorite outfit. I paired this flowy light green dress with my orange bag, and I have added a white shirt to go with the theme and a corset belt to give a little shape to the dress at the waist area. And I've completed the look with my white sandals, and I absolutely love this outfit because it's a perfect combination of edgy and playful. So that was all for today. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'll see you next time. Bye.